Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make tropical okra curry or Vendaka palu curry. The reason which I am saying tropical is we are going to add coconut milk to the okra, and it's a delicious and easy recipe which you can make and everyone loves it. So let's go ahead for the ingredients. I have added the ingredients in the description box. You can check out for the ingredients there also. Now let's get started. To a hot pan, I'm going to add the oil. To the oil, add the mustard seeds. I have cleaned the okra and cut it into this size. Now we are going to add it to the hot oil. We are going to saute this okra for a few minutes. After sauteing for a few minutes, you will get that beautiful aroma of the okra. To this I'm going to add some onions, some green chillies, and we are going to mix it for a while. And next, add in the curry leaves. After sauteing the onions for a little while, we're going to add in the coriander powder, chilli powder. Adjust the spice according to your taste. And turmeric powder. Mix it well. After mixing the spices, we are going to add some hot water. We are going to add salt to it. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. After mixing, we are going to cover and cook on a medium flame for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, my okra is cooked. If you like your okra to be more soft, you can cook it for more time. To this, we are going to add coconut milk. Mix it. Add a little bit of garam masala. And pepper powder. Pepper powder is optional. After mixing, bring it to a boil, and now you can turn off the stove. Now your tropical okra curry or Vendaka palu curry is ready now. Now let's serve it. The smell of the coconut, the okra, the spices. Now your delicious tropical okra curry is ready. Now let's taste the recipe. The taste is so good. It's kind of like a party in your mouth with the coconut milk, spices, and the okra. It's so tender. It's so tasty. So if you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also try our recipe. Thank you.